If you're looking for a classic car to get in the hobby, take a look at this one. Get into this without having to break the bank and have a nice cruiser in the process. 1955 Ford Customline, four-door sedan. Very stock looking vehicle, as you can see in the turquoise color. White top. This is powered by a V8, have the 272 Y block underneath the hood. Just the way it would have came from Ford in 55 with that engine. As you can see, the chrome up front does show its age a little bit of pitting, a little bit of surface rust at this end, but still a very nice driver quality car. Paint's in nice shape. Tell it's a little older paint, but it's held up well through the years. Take a look down the side of this car. You can see nice and straight. If you'd like to check out the underside pictures, you can see how solid this car is underneath. Check out the engine bay, nice and tidy. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's a number you can reach us at if you'd like to inquire about this car, have any questions on it. This car was actually traded in to us from a customer out of the Wisconsin area for a vehicle we had that he liked. And so we do consider trades. Financing is available on these. And of course, we can assist you with transportation to where you're located at. That V8 Y block underneath the hood is paired with a manual transmission with a shifter on the column, front bench seat, the vinyl cloth combination. Very nice interior on this also. But yeah, take a look down the driver's side. You can see this car is nice and straight. Doesn't seem to be a thick car or full of putty. Just a nice solid driver quality 55 Ford. Let's go ahead and open this driver's door, check out this interior. You can also see the bright work and everything's very nice in this car yet. That interior with the kind of cloth vinyl combo. You can see some seat belts have been added. Turquoise theme on the inside carries through to match the exterior paint. Go ahead and check this out. Very stock dash, gauges, all of that. Let's go ahead and fire this car up so you can hear it run. It does have a pair of cherry bombs or glass packs, I guess, whatever they were called in your area in the day. You can see these lights are on now, and I turn the key. They will go off here. When it starts up, it looks like they're on, but that's because of the backlighting on top of the speedometer. So, no lights on. See the fuel gauge popped up. Temperature gauge will come up as the car warms up. So again, very, very stock looking dash, interior, wheel, all of that. Headliner in this car is also in nice shape. Let's go ahead and slip around to the back. You can hear a little rumble out of that 272. Like I said, glass packs or cherry bombs on there. It's got a little bit of rumble. That old school hot rod sound. I'm going to slip up around here to the front. We'll pause the video. I'll pop that hood. Engine bay in this is very, very nice and tidy. Let's get a look at that for you. Pause it and pop that hood. Alright, you can see aluminum radiator's been added. It appears that engine's been gone through somewhere along the line. Looks nice and fresh. Again, this was a trade-in, so you see in this car the way that we got it in. Somebody has taken good care of this car through the years, enjoyed it, had some fun with it. Now it's time for the next person. Make their own memories with it. Again, check out the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com, and that phone number we can be reached at 507-386-1726. 1955 Ford Customline, four-door sedan. And remember, we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Financing is available, and we do consider trades. Give us a call.